Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create custom section using Shopify. And I should tell you this is on before I move into the video. So which is I already created this section. Just I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that. Okay. So without further ado, let's move. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna go to the store. So this is my client store. As you can see that this is the client store, and here is my code. So this is the code on the Shopify template. So I'm not gonna show you anything on the code. I'm gonna show you exactly how I created the section. Okay. So as you can see that first of all, I asked Shopify AI to give me options to create a section. Shopify AI prompt, Shopify already told me that hey, you can create section by clicking this button. So when I clicked here, and then here's the option. So you have to write the prompt as you want to generate your section. So I already told him, and then he said that okay, I want to create, I can create. And Shopify created the section, and I told him that I want to edit the border, I want to edit the text color, also the bottom text color, and here should be an icon. Whenever I will click, it will open link in new tab. Okay, so as I told the ChatGPT, so let me show you the prompt. As you can see, this is the entire prompt. As you can see, it's too big prompt. Okay, so I have written, so build the 3-column layout with the QR code the left. Okay, so a created code box in the middle, and the video call to action on the right, the layout space, and then okay, so I shouldn't read the entire thing. Just I want to tell you that how you should write the prompt. Okay, so whenever you write the prompt, you should go one of this section. Okay, so for example, you want to create this section. Okay, so where it is this section. Okay, so you will open a notepad or something else. So you will write a prompt, like for example, I can open the notepad. Okay, so notepad, so I can keep it at one side so that I can easily customize it. So as you can see that so as you can see that here not it is, yeah, like for example this section. Okay, so I want to create this section. So first of all, you can do it both way. For example, you can write here prompt. First of all, I want to create a section. Okay, the the first will be HEA heading, but b double the bottom of the HEA heading will be 3 3 COLU, I mean, like that. Okay, and then you can say first column will have this and that, second column will have this and that, third column will have this and that. Okay, so you can explain this way. So whenever you will explain to ChatGPT, or ChatGPT will write a prompt for you, and they get a great way. And then also you can write by your own way. Okay, so I hope you completely understand how to write a prompt and then how to create a section. Okay, so whenever you will come into your website, and then let me show you. So whenever you come to the website, as you can see, this is the code. So here you go. So basically maybe I have created, okay, so this is the section. So I have giving the prompt, ChatGPT Shopify AI created the section for me. But if I don't like anything on the section, so I can write by follow of instruction. Okay, so that's the thing. So guys, I hope that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And also one more thing I want to tell you, in future what type of content you are looking from my channel, let me know. I will definitely try to create content as you want. So again, I want to tell you, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.